Madam they look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter. They confused.
What's the meaning of this rubbish now? See, I don't want to get angry this night. Give me my food. Is it hard for you to just give me my food?
Food? One nice food. Ah. Well, there is no food.
What do you mean there is no food?
There is no food now. I did not cook.
Why?
I was tired. So I decided to rest.
Can you hear yourself? You're tired. You didn't cook for your husband and you've been in this house since morning.
Chineke no no baby. Neki, they know you. Each of you want to bring down the building.
If you're looking for my trouble.
I didn't have the strength to cook. But I need a masseuse to
You see this thing you're doing in this house? Don't make me do something everybody will regret. I'm warning you. I'm warning you.
Look at you. Why are you men so wicked? You came back and your wife is telling you that she was so tired, that was why she couldn't cook, and you're here shouting. Eh? Get it home, Bodo. Ma wologo. Ma buka mkazu puchi na kike. Ogonodo. See me very. I did not
see this thing you're looking for. You will still find it.
Abia.
You will still find it. You will still find it.
Abia no ma ahia. What am going to do? Buy kitchen na mama de. Enter that kitchen. I wouldn't tell you met on that. You got to touch good also. I know you have all. Okay, do it. What a woman can do, a man can even do better. Back kitchen now.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.